Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Muftal once again, OFGBFX. Welcome to another week of trading. So let's just jump straight right into it. I'm going to start with the Aussie New Zealand dollar for today. It's a bit unusual, Aussie New Zealand dollar. As I'm trying to pick things up a little bit, so I have to go to the unusual pairs. That's personal reasons. So we have the Aussie New Zealand dollar. You see, let me start from the monthly like I usually do. You can see I have a little line here just to tell me what the monthly has been doing over the past period. Just to give me an idea of what I'm looking at. So when we get that out, we see what the monthly is doing. On the same monthly, we can see that this pair is on the resistance, monthly resistance zone around here. So I mark that out. Go to the weekly time frame. So you can break it down a little bit. I like to use the bigger time frame because I don't have to analyze a lot of things. One candle is okay for monthly analysis. So this is a double tops on the monthly time frames. See how I'm zoning down from the bigger time frame to the smaller time frame. So you break the ideas down to the bigger time frame, to the smaller time frame. Sorry. So that's the weekly. So I can see a double top marked by here. So when you do that, I can easily go to the daily time frame and break it down even more easier to see what the candles are doing, what the previous days have done over here. So I can see the double top very well. You can see it's bouncing off that resistance zone very much. The same thing bouncing off. So, but here it has tested, it broke down, and tested back this resistance. So what I'll be perhaps waiting for me, because of the way I trade, I would probably be waiting for a move higher because I'm not a trend follower. Neither am I a breakout trader. So this is likely, for me, I'll be waiting to look for weakness around here, to short into weakness. Or if it goes higher, that's also fine for me. Then I may continue the sell down to this level or here. So I'll be looking for weakness around that level. 103312 level. I just want to check if I'm recording this. Am I? Okay, I'm recording. So yeah, so that is that's what I'll be looking for. But it might not make moves to the top side. I might just all of that has been equal. It might just continue dipping to the downside from tomorrow. So this is a key level. You see how it reacts here. If it breaks out, you might see a flush down to this level here. Very, very nice setup on the AUDNZD dollar. So that's a daily. For 4 hour guys, I don't know. I don't go to the 4 hour. I only go to 4 hours for entry. So as a swing trader that I am, that is what I'll be looking at for the AUDNZD. Very unusual that I trade AUDNZD. Right. So the next setup is the pound New Zealand dollar. The pound New Zealand dollar is basically behaving like most of the pounds out there right now. Starting from the monthly time frame, you can see the flush on the red candles. Very good momentum to the downside, bouncing off a key level around here, the downside, and this normal day you should expect this to bounce off around this support level around here. You should expect a bounce off around this level, but it didn't bounce off around this level. It broke that level, and the next level I'm looking at is around this place. If we go to the daily, you might see a retest of that level. There's a retest of that level. Let me bring it in for our, see a retest, multiple retests of that level. Yeah. So at the open, we might tomorrow morning might see maybe a little, because momentum is slowing down. I see a little bit pushed back up to this level, but I won't be doing anything right now. It's just a game for trend followers. I won't be doing anything crazy. If you have a very good short setup strategies, if you have intraday very good intraday strategies, you might want to go for shorts on this trade. So I'll be looking to go long from here. So this is my level marked. As swing traders, we wait a lot. Waiting is almost 100% of what we do. So I'll be looking for longs to the top side. Not very long, but short longs. So that's what I'll be looking at for the pound NZD. But overall, it has broken a support level and is rushing down. And momentum may pick up tomorrow, or you may retest. Either way, the swing trader will wait to see the best game plan for them. That's the weekly, daily. So let's go back to the euro pound from last week. Some of the setups from last week haven't really worked out. If you didn't watch last week's video, just check it out right now to be appearing on your screen. Just check out the last week's video. Because I won't be going into details with these setups. So check it out. So this is the daily. Last week we said it might stall here and give us a retracement back to the top. So I'm still waiting for that retracement back to the top. So I'll be looking for weakness, the bullish weakness around here, to see what may happen right now. But if you want to understand all this, you need to go back and watch the previous video to understand what's actually happening and why those lines are where they are. So I'll be looking for short setups around these levels, and hopefully we get a flush down outside these levels. Then we can see what else we're waiting for. And you see, this is a daily time frame. So that is for the euro pound. So just get back and watch the previous video to really understand what's happening. This is another pound trade here, pound AUD. Pound AUD from last week, the same thing. You can check the video out. Getting back to the same level we marked. Slow progress, but it's progress. So we'll just continue waiting for the short sellers to bring price down to that level. Almost there. So I'll be looking for longs around those levels. Now this is swing trading. This is my trading style. So whichever fits your trading style, you need to assess whether this trades fits your trading style before you take it. So this is a very good level. If you want to understand the full story, just go back and watch. This is a key level for me to watch. I'll be looking for a little bit of long to the top side. And very good risk to reward ratio. So if my stop loss around there, my take profits is at the top. That is for the pound AUD this week. Let's go straight to the euro dollar. Euro dollar, the same thing. Last week we were waiting for a retracement, right? I think around here, waiting for it to go to the top side. So we'll be waiting still, waiting for weakness for that level. But these are all resistance zone, right? So waiting for entry signals around here. That's what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for entry signals around here, around these levels at the open tomorrow. So I'm looking for shorts basically until this resistance is broken. So I'm gonna get a good risk to reward ratio. Let's say it turns here. This is my risk. Stop loss around here. This is my reward. Hopefully, if and after it breaks this consolidative pattern right here. That is it for my pound. So for my euro dollar. So you need to watch out and plan your trades out very well. Manage risk too. So the last pair for today is the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar to from last week, same thing from last week. We were waiting for a retracement to the top side, but there have been a little change in the Aussie dollar after reanalysis. You can see around here, very strong after the retracement, the very strong pullback up. But this is these are the markets. Nothing is short. Is ever short of happening. So I'll be looking for weakness around here. Looking for weakness around here. These levels. So you can go back and just watch the videos to get a good idea of what's happening. So the same levels from last week, weakness around here to see if a short opportunity can happen. If not, if this breaks out of this monthly resistance, if it breaks out of this monthly resistance, I'll be looking at this level also. This is a 61.8 retracement level for the month. So if this breaks out, also still be looking for a short to this level. So assuming this breaks it to the top side, continues up, then I might change my bias based on whatever analysis, whatever the analysis brings forth. So that is it, guys, for the Aussie dollar and the other pairs. So just have a good one, guys, and manage risk. All right, bye-bye.